Urbanization is a trend intensifying in recent years. The result? More people, more cars, more traffic jams. Therefore, ride-sharing platforms are of great importance. Simultaneously, the development of autonomous driving rapidly progresses. Based on this, the concept of autonomous ride-sharing platforms arises and brings several issues. How do people want to communicate with the autonomous system? How can the system handle passengers with controversial preferences? In response to these questions, we present LoopLink, an autonomous ride-sharing platform focusing on creating a unique travel experience through novel interactions with the system and the co-passengers. Let's have a look at the key features of the LoopLink app. Beginning with a profile, users can enter their personal preferences and interests. This information enables the autonomous system to optimally match co-passengers regarding their preferences. To guarantee data privacy, one can manually select settings for sharing data with co-passengers. The fundamental component of our service is the optional social loop feature. When activated, LoopLink connects you to your co-travelers, using personalized interaction via the autonomous system. After successfully booking a ride, travelers can observe specific profile information of their co-passengers. While driving, passengers can interact with the public screen via app. The system-to-human interaction differs in the following cases: public, semi-private, and private. As the level of publicity increases, less private information is displayed on screen. In the app, passengers see information such as private travel information, entertainment options, and support contacts. To mediate between passengers' preferences, one can suggest requests, such as changing the music playlist by starting a vote. The system interacts with passengers to bring them together and enhance the user experience. Various icebreakers share exciting information about passengers and therefore strengthen their bond. In addition, the system updates the passengers with the latest news related to everyone's preferences. In the event of unpredictable maneuvers, the system displays a reason for the sudden action to enhance trust in the autonomous car. LoopLink supports during the complete ride-sharing journey, from booking a car to interacting with the system and co-passengers while driving. We offer passengers a novel driving experience by implementing optimal rider selection, personal interaction, and data transparency. Thanks for watching and enjoy the ride.